1966 Dodge Coronet, base slant 6. The base model 1966 Dodge Coronet is the ultimate muscle car imposter. It wears the same handsome muscular B-body sheet metal as the legendary 426 Hemi Coronet RT, but it is powered by one of the most lethargic engines of the decade. The standard engine was the 225 CI Slant 6, an engine renowned for its incredible durability and reliability, but also for producing only 140 HP. While the engine itself is nearly indestructible, placing it in a mid-size car weighing over 3,400 pounds results in dangerously slow acceleration. It is the absolute definition of all show and no go. This vehicle represents the most extreme example of the base model trap. A genuine Hemi Coronet is a six-figure blue-chip collectible. A Slant 6 Coronet, by contrast, struggles to break the $10,000 barrier. J.D. Power shows an average retail price for a V8-powered Coronet 500 at just $14,050, with the six-cylinder version being worth significantly less. This car is a rolling disappointment that promises the world with its muscular looks and delivers absolutely nothing.